Joseph. So, ito yung question, what kind of audience reaction are you hoping after mapanood nila yung episode 1?
Actually, ngayon in-edit ko na yung episode 1. For me, magiging positive siya. I'm very confident. Kasi we were honest with, we were faithful doon sa libro, sa novel ni Yana Loves You. And nakinig rin kami sa mga fans, ganyan. At the same time, binigay rin namin yung timpla namin. Like yung timpla ni Joseph, ni Ren sa character nila. Yung humor ko as a director, binigay ko rin. So I'm very confident na magugustuhan nila to. Kasi ako din mismo, nung una ko siyang binasa, parang hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinapasok kong mundo or project. Pero habang binabasa ko yung script, habang nagsushoot kami, mas napapamahal ako doon sa project. Mas na-excite ako. So, I'm very confident na matutuwa ang fans.
Ako naman po, as a fan din ng book, kasi binasa ko po talaga siya cover to cover. For sure, naramdaman dito ng mga readers, nung nag-umpisa silang basahin yung libro, iba yung feeling na mabibigay niya talaga sa'yo eh. Doon pa lang sa umpisa ng mga chapters, hanggang sa kalagitnaan, hanggang sa matapos mo, meron siyang feels na ang saya, nakakakilig, sobrang colorful, sobrang feel good. Yung tipong parang hindi mo mamamalayan 5 AM na pala. May mga ganun ako moment na parang, ay ala, umaga na pala, nagbabasa pa rin ako. Tapos excited ako gumising ulit kasi magbabasa ulit ako. Yung ganong excitement, kasi sobra kang attached and sobra mong minahal yung characters, then sobra kang tuwang-tuwa sa kwento. Parang sana mabigay namin sa kanila yung same feels na kung ano yung naging journey nila habang binabasa nila yung libro. Kung gaano nila kaminahal at in-embrace yung libro, yung ganong feeling. Sana maramdaman din nila dito sa series namin na ginawa po talaga namin at ginagawa po namin yung best namin para makita nyo talaga on screen kung ano yung dapat nyo ding ma-feel, na kung ano yung na-feel nyo nung binabasa nyo yung libro. So, yeah, sana lahat tayo maging masaya. Yun, maging masaya sana tayo and magustuhan natin. Kasi kami, masaya kami. Diba?
So yung reaction na ina-expect namin at yung gusto namin makuha, like what Direk said, yun nga, parang naging faithful kami dun sa book. And to be honest, I really appreciate our location manager. You know, shout out also to him kasi every time na may taping kami at may bagong location, ako mismo nagugulat ako. And you know, I really appreciate yung framing ni Direk. Pag nakikita ko sa monitor, like, oh, dito tayo mag-shoot, like, wow. Parang hindi naman sa pagbubuhat ng bangko, pero parang yung imagination ko nung binabasa ko yung book, nung nakita ko sa monitor, parang na-surpass pa niya. And that's why, you know, we just really hope na sana ma-appreciate nila yung pinaghirapan namin at, you know, pinagpawisan namin.
Thank you so much and congratulations. We are looking forward sa first episode. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, rounding up batch 1, we have none other than Aster Amoyo from TikTok, People's Journal at Filipino Star ngayon.
Hindi, speechless daw ako. Unang-una, congratulations muna sa whole cast, lalong-lalo na sa dalawang anak ko, si Ren at saka si Frost. Frost, sana matupad yung pangarap ko para sa iyo. Sabi ko kay Boss Vic, sana mabigyan ka ng break na katulad nito, na ikaw naman ang isa sa mga bida. Sana. Wish ko yan para sa iyo, Frost. Anyway, para muna sa lahat. Siyempre, I think all of you, this is your first time to work together. Tama ba ako? First time kayo nagkasama-sama in this series. First time, di ba, sa lahat? So, bawat isa sa inyo, anong na-discover niyo sa isa't isa? Working with, of course, your director and your colleagues in dito sa serye na to.
Alright, let's start from one end, going to the other. Okay, how about here with Aliyah? Please pass the mic to Aliyah po. Thank you.
Thank you for that question. And yeah, so one of the things, actually one of the very many things that I've discovered working with my co-artists is that when you're in this industry, when you're in this field of work and you're in artistry where your creative juices are running talaga, you really get to see different sides of each other. So, syempre it's different when you meet friends from outside or when you have colleagues in a different industry. Pero dito talaga, parang yung makikita mo, what really stands out is their creative side. So, like, for example, with Jaime, he's like a comedic genius. And with Icy, like, she's so adaptive to everything and every kind of character you give her, as well as Sarah and everyone else that I'm working with. So, ayun, yung parang, I see a different side out of them that you wouldn't see normally on a daily basis. Ganon po. Yeah. Thank you.
For me, it's my first show ever. So I'm constantly just learning things every time I'm on set. And I pick up different things from different people. So I see their process, how they internalize their roles before, taping. So that's what I'm trying to just pick up so I can hone my talent as well.
Personally, I've worked with many of the cast here before, like with Ate Ren. I've worked with her sa first acting project ko. Minulto niya po kami sa Marita. And in our next project in Mutya, magkakapuksaan naman kami doon. I've also worked with Frost in many of my projects. As well as Kyosu. As the entire group itself, like from the first day pa lang, parang it was very easy to like bond with each other. Na parang hindi siya usual because in my other projects, like first working under like Marita or Angutya, where it was a new group, new cast, it took a while to warm up to each other. But for here, parang acting workshop pa lang, magkakatropa na agad. Like we all had really good chemistry agad. And yeah.
Ako muna. Ikaw mo. Para sa akin, halos nasabi na nila lahat. Actually, working with the cast is sobrang gaan yung vibe. Since this is my first time working with them, sobrang gaan. Nakuha ko agad yung positive energy nila. And of course, syempre, kada isa may mga sariling parang kalokohan, kumbaga. Na-adapt ko yun, pero in a good way, syempre. And of course, working with Kuya Joseph and Ren, sobrang marami akong natutunan. Sobrang marami akong natutunan kung paano ito yung ganito ganyan, kung paano pa maging malalim sa acting, and gusto ko pa matuto. Gusto ko gumaling, and ayun.
Copy-paste, di joke na. Hindi, actually, first time ko din makatrabaho lahat dito sa cast. And ang masasabi ko lang, as RG said a while ago na may kanya-kanyang konting kalokohan. But once na nag-zone in na sa character yung bawat isa, doon talaga lalabas. Magugulat ka na lang na, parang kanina naglolokohan pa lang tayo, tapos ngayon parang, uy, iba na to, yung character niya na to. Iba na agad yung naipapakita. So masasabi ko talaga na sobrang exciting and blessed to work with these people na talagang mahal na mahal nila yung kanilang craft. Yan lang.
Meron naman. Favorite mafia movie? Sorry.
Iba na yan, PJ, iba na yan.
Talas ng memory, ha? Last year pa yung question. Okay.
Sorry. Speaking of sari-sariling kalokohan, shoutout kay Jaime. Kita nyo naman, di ba? And ayun, first time ko makatrabaho lahat. And ayun, working with bossing na lang. Boss Zeke. Boss Zeke. Ano siya alam niyo yung ginaguide kayo, ganon, as newbie. Tapos siya medyo matagal na sa industry, ganon. Oo, alam mo yung... Hindi. Iko-correct ka niya in a good way. Ganon. Ganon siya. Ano ba? And then, totoo, promise. Tapos, bira kasi mapuri ng isang Joseph Marco. Kaya pag pinuri ka niya sa set, after scene, talagang maganda.
Ano ba? Favorite mafia movie ay... Wala din. You know, I really love working with new people. I really do. Most of my organic encounters are from work. So, and they always say it's good to work with new directors, it's good to work with new actors. You always pick up on certain things. Of course, it's good to be people that you're comfortable with. Example, Sarah, Kyosu, I've worked with them before. You know what's surprising? I'd like to start with the people that I've worked with, because even if this is a new project, there's still something new that I'm learning from them. Like with Sarah, I've never seen Sarah act this way before. So you should definitely stop, pause. Moving forward with Kyosu, ibang side na to, hindi na siya tulog. He's awake in this one, and like it's happy to see the people that I worked with before doing, like stepping into different genres. For the new people that I'm working with, it's been a blast. Same with what ang sabi ni RG. Yeah, we all have our different shenanigans happening, but there is a balance of fun and respect to the craft, which I think in mutual agreement we are all working towards. We're having fun responsibly, and with Joseph, Ren, and Direk, they have been I've been working with them a lot these past couple of days. They've been so hands-on. They've been guiding me. You know, with comedy, I remember those times me and Ren would be like, "We got this," because like we were out. There's this one scene that took us how many hours? Like so many. It was a group effort. Everybody on that set that day, and with Joseph naman, I think my appreciation to acting has deepened because of this man over here, and I have to thank him because there are times where I don't feel it here, or maybe it's here. I don't even know. But there are times where like I lose my flow, and when I'm reminded, or when I see other people doing their hardest, regardless of the context of what they're going through, makes me want to do the same. So shout out to all of you guys. I love you guys.
Ayun po, ako po, personally, grateful po ko sa lahat ng cast po. And kay Direk also, and thank you po sa pag-support nyo sa amin. And also sa family po ni Miss Yana po. Kami, siguro sinimulan po namin yan after yung first meet po namin. Parang nag-plan namin na mag-band daw kami after first meet namin. Yung few cast. Pero yun, after that, para sa set, hindi na kami magkapaan. Alam mo na, meron na kaming alam namin yung mga isa't isa. Pero kapag yun nga, nasa set na kami, iba na agad, iba na yung na kami, into character na agad kami. And ayun, yun yung mas nakakabilib sa mga kakilala ko na cast. Kasi kaya nilang panan yung role na binigay sa kanila.
So, ako naman. Nung binasa ko kasi yung book, close talaga kami mga taga-Stonehenge. So I really went out of my way to get to know these people. And yun pala, sobrang bait nila that eventually they became my real friends and my only friends. And especially, yung sa mga Roswell din, kahit magkaaway kami sa set, parang mga kaibigan ko na yan, si PJ, si Frost. Kanina nga, nagtatawanan tayo dito sa backstage. Kasi actually guys, si Frost nga pala yung first friend ko sa Viva. Ganon siyang tao. So, inaalagaan niya ako, parang kuya ko na yan. So, besides Frost, there's Kyosu din. Itong tropa ko, sobrang bait niya sa akin. And of course, tumitingin siya si Sarah, one of my good friends as well. So, everyone, ganun kami ka-close. And then even if ganun kami ka-close, we still have this professionalism. And of course, I won't forget to mention Ren and Joseph. Ay, sorry. Okay. So si Ren, sobrang ganda niya sa set. Sobrang talented niya. Tapos, kinikilig ako kada kasama ko siya ka-work. Like, grabe talaga.
Mr. Roswell, just Tommy, Slavinov. Ano? Wait ka lang? Okay.
Pero I want to get to Joseph as well kasi as a friend, madami, like, we relate to a lot of things than basketball, video games. Pero as a mentor din, grabe, nag-level up talaga yung acting ko dahil sa kanya. And he really has this hunger to educate us. Kasi syempre, bago lang ako, this is my second project. And yung mga advice na binigay niya sa akin, na-apply ko din during GSOT. So, I'm very thankful to have him as a mentor. And then of course, let's not forget Direct Fifth. Director siya, pero he's one of us talaga eh. Nakiki-TikTok siya sa amin, nakikibiroan, tapos sobrang talented din niya. So, lahat kami, tropa kami, pero when it comes to the set, professional na talaga. So, I'm very thankful to have you guys as my friends and co-workers.
Ako naman po, masaya ako nandito kayo. Masaya rin po akong makita kayo at masaya din ako nandito. Personally po, nahirapan po kami nung una. Pero with the help of workshop, tsaka yung tulong namin with one another. With shoutout po kay Tita Angie na nag-workshop sa amin last year pa. Nung una, it was my first time working with them po sa lahat. Sa Mutya naman ko, kay Frost, kay Sarah, hindi ko po sila na-meet sa set eh. Kasi binubugbog lang ako dun. Pero personally, sobrang masaya akong maka-work sila. Tapos, si Jaime, sige. Tsaka si Kyo, all of them, magaling silang lahat. Tapos, sige. Basta, lahat sila magagaling. Tapos, lahat kami kung ano yung kulang at hindi namin nakikita. Parang, gawin mo to. Parang may advices kami na without any, parang bad. Huwag ka tumatawa. Momo. So, sana alam ko na magiging the best to at binigay namin yung the best namin sa paggawa ng series na to. Kaya abangan natin yan. Maraming salamat po.